And we have some breaking inputs coming in at top of this hour. We are getting you these videos from the national capital where left netas can be openly seen hijacking the farmers' protest. And remember, the unabated politics that is currently going on over the farmers' protest that continues even after the government's repeated assurance that they are open to talks with farmers and amendments to the farm bills as well. We'll now go across to my colleague Abhishek Kapoor joining us over the phone line. Abhishek, these videos once again exposes how the opposition netas and this time the left netas in a way are trying to hijack the entire farmers' agitation.
Well, it's an open secret. We have to understand that farmer protests are being co-opted for their own agenda by various political leanings, particularly the left. So, I mean, if you look at these pictures at the Tikri border today, you can see in the garb of marking the International Human Rights Day, they are talking of Sharjeel Imam, they are talking of Umar Khalid, they are talking of Varawar Rao, they are talking of Sudha Bharadwaj, and they are talking of Father Stanley. Essentially, all the individuals who have at some point or other been associated with the urban Naxals, been associated with the left liberal lobby, been associated with the Elgar Parishad case, been associated with the Shaheen Bagh protests, and being associated with the JNU. So, I mean, if you look at it, it's clear that, I mean, what these people have to do with these farmer protests and the main issue of MSP. It's clear that the farmer protests, hence, are being hijacked. It has, as I said, been out in public domain, not that it's something secret. But what is important is that even these farmers have to understand that despite their protestation that there should be no politicians coming in, a subtle attempt has been made to deflect from the core issues and to bring in an agenda which is made to look like a farmers versus government issue, but it is not. What is important is that these protests. What is important is that these politicians and activists understand that the farmers' issue is a very important issue. The government is dealing with the crisis. The government is dealing with it. The government has shown it, giving it in writing, the proposals that it intends to bring in, the proposals that it intends to bring as amendments in the law, and those are being negotiated with the farmers. And in that process, to bring in the issue of Umar Khalid, to bring in the issue of Sharjeel Imam and Varawar Rao and the issue of Elgar Parishad clearly shows that since they have media attention, they are trying to of farmers if they let these elements
All right. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for getting us that entire perspective. In fact, this is certainly, once again, a complete politicization of the farmers' agitation that continues with several opposition leaders para-dropping at the site of protest.